Hi everybody, it's Joe Jurek. Welcome back to Joe Jurek's Real Estate Investing Adventures. Hope you're having a great day out there. Look at the pool, it's empty. It's 90 degrees today. What a great day to jump in the pool and cool off and have some fun. If you're at work, I'm sorry. Unfortunately, you might have put your real estate investing on the back shelf or you're not committed to it. I want you to commit to that real estate investing. Why? It can change your life. You can do things you thought otherwise you could never do. Maybe be jumping in the pool today, having some fun, having quality family time, and not having to punch that clock. I hope you're not watching this video when you're at work, because I know sometimes being at work, it's like a sentence. You get there at 9 a.m., you hope to leave by 5, and maybe you're there till 7, 8, and what if you have to work a double? What if you have to work weekends? You need to set yourself free. You need to get out there and make it happen. You need to commit to real estate. And I want to tell you, you can, even if you just start with a little bit of time each day and try to build from that. So go out there, commit to your success, make it happen, believe and achieve. Take care. Bye-bye.